Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a clean with me, and we're going to give the dogs a bath because they are in desperate need. I'm also going to show you the new beds that we got for them. I'm really excited about them. I hope that you enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you do, and let's just get right into it.
And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way.
So as a work-at-home mom, I always have to mop while Carson is awake. I have to work while he's napping. So what we do is we put his house shoes on and we close the dogs away so that we don't get any little toes or any paw prints on the floors.
Like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams.
He loves when I pretend to mop his feet or vacuum his feet. Does anybody else's kid love that?
See, like the purple haze, I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you.
Look. Who's that? Is that Carson? Look. Is that Carson? Is that Carson? You can't have it. It's Mom's phone. It's Mom's. Say cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. The only way I can get him to smile for a picture. Cheeseburger. You're so cute. You're so cute. So this part of the video is going to be an after dark clean with me. I had a huge mess of a kitchen to clean up after dinner this night. So that is what we are going to do. We're going to load the dishwasher to do a load during the night like I always do, and get our office area / playroom cleaned up.
I'm falling
Harrison a new booster seat so that he could eat at the table with us, and I'm absolutely loving it, so I will make sure to link it below. It's very easy to clean, it's neutral, and it looks good with the table. I didn't want anything that was like a bright color that would stand out. This may be different, but I like to change my Scentsy warmers out at night because I like to wake up to my house smelling amazing. Does anyone else do that, or is that just weird? This time it is not furry on the top. It is actually water resistant. I wanted a dark color because every time I've gotten a light color, it gets dirty too fast. It starts looking dingy too fast. So this foam inside, if something does soak through, which it shouldn't with this bed, but if you have one that's not water resistant like we used to have, if something does soak through there, you can let it air out outside. But if you get one of the ones that has like a bag inside that's filled with like crushed, like cut up pieces of foam, that one does not air out very well. And also, if you have a dog that digs in the bed like ours do, those tear very easily, the bag that holds all of the foam in the middle, and the foam will just be everywhere. Like last time I had to wash one of these covers, it was a disaster. So these are the ones we went with. I think that we're gonna be happier with these than we've ever been. The Egg Crate foam, the Egg Crate Tempur-Pedic foam is supposed to be really good for their joints. It apparently, obviously it's more comfortable for them, but it evens out their weight so that there's no extra weight being put on their joints. So especially if you have breeds like we do, a Lab and a German Shepherd, they are known for hip dysplasia, so you really want to watch out for those kind of things. We got this from Amazon. I will link it below. Walmart carries the same type of beds, but they didn't have the specific one, so we ordered it, and it was cheaper, a little bit cheaper on Amazon, and the shipping was faster, so that's what we did.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way, and all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming.
It's
I don't think I can pick you up. Why do you weigh so much?